Hello and welcome to Prosperity Charts by the Hearts with me, Simon Nilsson, a man. And today we're gonna make a Bitcoin prediction, and we're also going to talk about a little bit my story, how I got into trading, and what problems I have, and how it has been solved for me, how trading has been helping me in my life. So 2018-19 there, I worked at the industry in Gränna near Jönköping and Ödeshög where I live now. It's like in between where I constructed capacitors, and it was a shift job. It was very badly managed. It later became bankrupt, when I worked there, early 2019, it became bankrupt, and I just felt that I need a way to get out of this. I need a way, so I listened to the audiobooks where I was working with T. Harv Eker, A Millionaire Mind, and he said that, keep investing, compounding interest, the stock market is a good place if you know what you do. So I started buying stocks, and the first stocks I bought was Embracer, and these kind of stocks, Starvolt and other kind of Swedish gaming companies. And I didn't know so much, but I figured I want to figure this thing out. So I started buying, different kind of funds, and where it had a lot of capital and spread my risks, but I didn't really like to give my power away like that. So eventually I stumbled upon Long Life Trading, Robert, and his trading channel. Really good, really recommend it. And he taught me more about technical analysis and RSI and how important that is for analysis. So I figured out I need to step up my game in this thing. So I did, and now today I know how to write charts, I know how to manage, I know how to count percentage, I have my stop loss, and even though in normal trading stocks, normally the stop loss can still fall under it because it's closed and stuff. And what's good with crypto is that the stop loss pretty much for the most time works if you just put a little bit of percentage between the trigger and that kind of thing. So I really love crypto also, that you can transfer peer-to-peer, anyone in the world, and you can transfer between weekends and this kind of thing. It gives the freedom. And also some project now, I heard that they are building a new internet also with crypto. It's called Coup Portal project, so check that out, that's really interesting. And today we're gonna look at Bitcoin though. I just wanted to say my background a bit. Today we're gonna look at Bitcoin. We're gonna make a prediction. I have invested today, shorted actually, and we will see different perspectives. So a disclaimer here, what I say is not the truth, it's not the absolute truth, it's not true, or I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and what's more, entertainment and education purposes only. And you have your own risk as man and woman, but I share my perspective or different perspectives that can happen and others' perspectives, and together we get larger. We don't have a little bit golf ball consciousness, we expand our consciousness of what's actually going on by measuring and testing and trying our hypotheses and experience, having direct experience with what we test and manage. And that's how we get better and wiser with our own money and economy. So I think it's really good, and I want to share this gift, so what I teach this year in technical analysis, which I think is my way of expressing art. And some people draw really nice and this kind of thing, design. I don't, but I'm pretty proud how I can design a chart. So what do you say? Should we get into it? Yeah, let's get in. So look here, we have Bitcoin, right? And we can see it has been in a trend for a long time now. We can see here, for example, until September, 14 September or 10th of October, it has done 157%. And it hasn't done any major correction this last 90% actually. We have a pattern here, a triangle. And to me, this triangle, do you know what I see here? Let's say for triangle, for those who don't know, well, you write the tops and you write the bottoms. And here we see like an arm, let's say, goes up. And this pattern, I notice here, could be a head and shoulders. Do you know what the head and shoulder is? We're gonna look at it here, bars pattern here. Okay. To me this looks like it could be a head and shoulders pattern. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Look at the price first. Where is the price now? The price is at 69.66. Okay. Okay. And it has bounced from going down, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And here it broke the triangle, but it looks like it could be a bull trap because it didn't stay up. And if you notice this pattern, what does it look like? Does it look like a head and shoulder? Who here have seen a head and shoulder before? Who have seen a head and shoulder before here? So we take the highlighter, we draw, here is an arm and like a shoulder, here's the neck, here's the head, here's the neck, and here could be a shoulder where it might be an arm here again. It might be an arm here again. I don't say it's absolutely true, it's an arm. I don't say I'm sure. I say it might be. And I'm thinking it is. I'm betting on that it is an arm here. Because it has been at this level and it didn't broke through here. Which means that let's see here. Let's see here. We also have the RSI perspective. I like RSI. I'm an RSI guy. Look how long the RSI has been in bullish territory. I mean, this means that it's overbought for you who are new. This is 80. I mean, normally when it's 70, it falls down. Normally when it's like 70 here, you could see, it fell down. And here you can see like head and shoulders, kind of arm, shoulder, head. And if you take that pattern here, it also looked like arm, shoulder, head, shoulder, arm. And it was exactly what happened. And here later it collapsed to the ground. This was 2001, April. And I'm thinking we might have, I don't hope it's not a crash. I hope, but you need to take this step by step. It could be a correction happening now. And we also have more perspectives on this. once I have more perspectives on this, I'm gonna pause the video quick. Here we have S&P 500, and this has also trended for a ridiculous long amount time. Look how long this has trended. 28 days only? No, it has to be more. 154 days straight this has traded. As you see, so some people say that, oh, it doesn't have any connection to Bitcoin whatsoever. Yes, it has connection to people's confidence in the markets, people's scare, people's amount of money in their pocket when the industries are going good or are going well, how much Bitcoin they can take, like invest. So it has a correlation. I certainly believe that. Have faith in that and trust that. And this shows this perspective. Look, 154 days, and you can see this has also been ridiculously high for a ridiculously long amount. Like, this needs to go down to go up more. The question is this like a big crash coming? It could be a big crash. It could be a big crash. I'm gonna show you something why it can be a big crash coming now. I hope it's not. I hope it's not. I don't think so. I didn't plan to go into that too much, but I'm gonna post the video. Hello? Are we here? Are we in? No? Yes? We're in? We're recording, right? Okay, so here is Swedish Riksbank, and normally people don't like measure this stuff. This has only monthly. This has only monthly bars, and you can see like it's not even bars here. But can we have bar? We can't even have candles on this. But if we look on RSI, we can see that just like everybody that knows RSI is like, when it bounces around 50 here, it normally turns away. Like 2 legs, it's bounced. 2 legs or 1 leg, it bounced, right? So it's bouncing here. Like here had, wow, what a streak before it collapsed. But here it was way down in the Chinese war, China-America war with Trump and that kind of stuff. So here it went way down, and here, like, if this doesn't pull through here, if this doesn't pull through here and like makes a double top here or something, dude, like we're talking the Swedish Riksbank here is the oldest bank in the world. It's the oldest bank in the world. Central bank is from 1668, I think, 64, 68, 1668, let's say. So it's 350 years old or something like that. It's the oldest bank. Bank of England was the next one, and it copied this kind of bank, actually, for you who don't know. And look, it's at 50. It will bounce, probably. It will bounce, probably. Now you're thinking I'm getting out of hand. Maybe you think like, oh, where's the Bitcoin? Like, I'm showing multiple perspectives. And I'm showing there, to my perspective, there is a correlation between these perspectives. And like what I believe, they go together. But let's see what this does. But if it turns the other way, this could be a big crash. I'm gonna post a video and shift to Bitcoin now. Okay, so we're live again, guys and girls, men and women, traders, investors, learners of finance and money, kind people, ethical people, moral people. Here you are. So let's look at this. Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay. Let's look at the fourth chart, actually. Let's look at the forest. Like I could, like, let's see. Okay, so here we see this pattern we talked about. Might be head and shoulders, might be head and shoulders. What I done is that I put the position on MEX market. MEX Global is where I trade my crypto and buy them. And I put a position, a short position on Bitcoin to go from here to here. This is my prediction. 15%. Why 15%? Why here 58? Around 58.5, let's say. Here's my prediction. Why? Why do I think that? Why do I believe that? You have any clue? Any quizzes? Any comments? Because if you look at history, and history have patterns, everything in nature have patterns. Fibonacci, if you look up Robert Grant, for example, he proved that there's a pattern in everything, even the random generator numbers that are totally random. They have a pattern if you look at it long enough. So have strong faith in that everything has a pattern. Okay, you just have to study it over a long time. So here's what separates the pros from the new beginners. Let's say, if I can say so. Here, for example, we have a correction of 33%, and it was still in a bull market. Look, how long had it gone up? How long had it gone up? 300% straight. And I mean, it doesn't go up as much each bull run. It goes up less and less and less. It went up from 10,000 to pretty much 40,000, which is a huge deal. This time it went up from around, and then it lost 30%. That's the point. And here it went up from 16,000, 350%. So it could go up more, but this 90% right here, to me, I mean, the head and shoulders patterns, and to me, this is the key levels. 52 to 50. This is key levels. It has to hold. If it breaks under this, there's no bull run. There's no bull run. I promise. It breaks, it's no bull run. So, look. We also have another perspective. Everybody knows Fibonacci here. Fibonacci in nature, like 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, etc. And like it's an irrational increase. It's said to be irrational because it doesn't repeat the same numbers. That's why it's called that. And if you look at here where it hasn't really corrected, if you look at this move from September, which is really steep, where you look at no, it's not that one I'm looking for. I'm looking for the bottom actually, here, I guess. Yes. No, 41. No, where did I look from? Here did I look from here? 58. Yeah, okay, this last move. Because this kind of looks like a wave that corrected. This looks like kind of a wave, right? 23% correction. Yes, this last move has been really steep. And it didn't really correct. Okay, here you could say. But let's look. So if it would correct again and break this down, if it breaks up for several days and a week, sure, then we up. But I mean, SP 500 has been trending for how long? 150 days. It's not soon 6 months. I think it will correct soon. or crash, but hope correct one step at a time. Okay, one idea to share. Okay, so where I'm looking is at least to drop to this Fibonacci line, which is around 58,000, around here. Here I have a short position right now from around 69 with the stop loss at where is the stop loss? Stop loss I think is here. I have stop loss there. I hope I don't get stopped out. There's my stop loss, and you can really see. I need to go like smaller scale here for you guys to see. Let's go 4 hours. No. Hello Antonio, I'm filming my Bitcoin prediction right now. So
right.
yeah.
How's it going?
It's going good. It's going good. So
It's going your way?
yeah. Let's see. I haven't been stopped out, but I will continue the prediction that it will go to 58k, and my stop loss is at 70,500.
Okay, so
there is my.
yeah, it's close, but not that close. Maybe like 400,
Yeah.
310.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's say if you want to be in this video or not later, I'm gonna publish it in Prosperitycharts. You can see. I will send you the material, and it can be like a dynamic thing that you come in here. Antonio and me, we trade, like share ideas sometime. We have this Discord I have together also, where we share our trades. Antonio's a day trader and a little bit of a swing trader, trades crypto, like introduced me to Floki and different kind of coins. He's skilled with like AI analysis and that kind of stuff. You know which one is popping. you that.
Yeah, I try my best, like, to know, like, different stuff. Like, the good thing, like, about me is that I'm like 8 or 9 hours, like, in front of my
Yeah.
screen every
Yeah.
day. So I think that's an advantage to uh, maybe a normal dude to spend like 1 hour or two.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It's
try
your.
my best.
Yeah, it's your private situation right now, so it
Mm,
suits you. But
yeah,
yeah, so I will continue. I will continue my prediction, and let's see how it goes. It will be nice to do now because I think the move will happen like this night. Either it goes to over 70, and I will be stopped out, or it will
yeah.
like drop now. I think because it's at some resistant level there. And I saw a
I
head and
mean,
shoulder pattern. I saw a head and shoulder
mm,
pattern. Do you know head and shoulder?
the head and shoulder pattern.
Yeah. Look up head and shoulder pattern, and we will discuss it later tomorrow. I've been writing a good head and shoulder pattern in this video. That is
Yeah,
my
yeah.
prediction.
I know that. I know that actually. Yeah,
Yeah, it
yeah.
looks like
The
a head
head.
and shoulder pattern, this
Yeah,
triangle. Really
yeah.
much, actually. It could
Yes,
be the
like
arm.
three. Yeah, it's like the top of a uh, star, like, but without the
Yeah,
head,
yeah, yeah.
without the legs.
Yeah,
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 exactly.
yeah. I know that. I've seen some videos about it, but these stuff. I mean, I do believe in them and stuff, but they're not like 100% accurate
No,
every
no,
time.
no,
So you need
no.
to know.
There is a book, like books on this, and they're like maybe 70% accurate, but one that is real accurate in crypto, that is like the one I normally remember and go after. There are so many, but that is the head and shoulders pattern. That is the head and shoulders pattern. It's like a gold standard. But let's see,
Yeah,
it could be something else, but I need to. I need to interrupt this conversation now and continue with the video. And let's hope the
Yeah.
viewers thought this was entertaining with some,
Cool.
dynamic conversation.
Where are you live in on Discord though?
I'm not living it because I was thinking, I was thinking like Twitch and stuff. Maybe they have different rules that I can't stream to kids or something.
Yeah.
But I'm just recording right now, so I ain't live streaming.
Mm. Oh, okay.
Okay, so but maybe I'll live
Yes.
stream in the future and record at the same time. That would be the ultimatum.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Okay. So bye, friend. We catch you
Talk
later.
talk to you later.
Yeah.
Yes. Goodbye.
Okay. Nice. So let's see, audience, now. Like what I looked at when I did this short was that I saw this pattern on the RSI when it bounced under here at the 50, and other times it has done this. Look here. Here it topped, double top, and then it bounced here, and then it fell. So I was kind of a little bit eager here. I thought it would bounce here. It really looked like it would bounce. But right now I see it has pushed through. But it could still like go down. And my prediction is on Bitcoin here, 58. Here I have there my short is taking profit here. And I think it could look like something like this. It could look something like this. It could look something like this, guys. Here goes down. Here corrects at somewhere here, maybe. Here and here actually it corrects there. Something like that, right? Makes sense. And then it could either go up in theory, or it could either go up like, let's say, yeah, start a new pattern here, like something shoot up to 75k, maybe 80, or it goes down, and makes two legs here at 50, something like that. And then I'm just gonna go straight line here to 80. I'm just gonna do that. So something like this is my theory on Bitcoin, what it will do. Something like this is my theory. So my short, I don't want to hold short with leverage for a long time. So it will be go out here, and I will make around 100% profit. 100% profit on my short. So you can count the leverage yourself there, right? I'm not gonna tell my leverage. You can count it yourself. Guess how much my leverage is. If it goes down, you can see here from 69 to here 16%, and I get 100,000. No, 100% profit. How much is the leverage, guys and girls? How much is the leverage? Quiz. Write if you know the leverage. So that's real nice. And then we will, yeah, so that's my prediction. 58k, and here either go up or down. Like, because the market SPX needs to correct, like we're looking at least down here. It could be a steeper correction. This is in the middle of Fibonacci. So this is a steeper correction. Yeah. It could go here and it will still be a bull market. And here is we're gonna look at here is 26% or 23 to 26. That is a healthy correction, I think. I mean, look at this. I could be wrong, but this is my prediction. This is my prediction. So if you want to have a tool like this, learn how to write like this, I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the comments. I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the comments for TradingView. And I mean, if you want to invest time and money, you need to buy things if you want to like know a skill, learn a skill, and this is a skill. This is a skill. Right now I think I have like the free version, I think, or some kind of the cheaper ones. But I had the most, I think the pro or premium, like the most expensive ones. I had it for 2 years and tried different kind of scripts, different kind of, you can have a lot more. Right now I just have the RSI basically, and I have one here also that is kind of resting. I don't need to show it. I don't go into it so much. But you don't need it so much. Like, you need this, you need the basics, and then you can maybe learn the scripts. It's better that way, I think, because then you know what the hell is going on with the scripts or what they even are measuring. So yeah, this is what you do if you feel I want to learn to write like that, so I can take care of my money, my economy, my finance, or whatever it is, what you yourself have rights to manage. If you want to learn to write like this, TradingView, then please go and become a member of. Use my affiliate link for TradingView. Yeah. If you want to buy, let's say, Bitcoin or some kind of crypto, and either spot trading or some kind of future trading contract, you're gonna learn what that is, like just Bitcoin for you who don't know, or just XRP, Floki, or this kind of osmosis like coins that I right now look at. If you want to buy that and learn that, you need to invest some time and you need to invest some money. There's no other way to learn the skill. And this is education and entertainment purposes, but there's no other way to learn the skill. Invest your time, invest your money, like physically and electrically, and you will get better, like if you keep going. So then I recommend you to use the affiliate link for Max Global that I'm also gonna put here, or my reference link, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, so then you use that to buy your cryptos and to learn and to trade. And then if you want to join my community, I have a Discord. So you can join the community. It's not like super regulated. I don't have a lot of time. It's the same disclaimer I explained earlier. But it shows what kind of trades I do, and my friend Antonio that you see, and other people, what we day trade, what we swing trade. And we have, you can discuss crypto stocks, you can discuss technical analysis, you can discuss fundamental analysis, macro analysis. You can discuss different kind of tools here and learn in the community. And it's written in Swedish, actually, most of it, but we have inter-earth community, so it also has channels with English and French and German and Portuguese and different kind of other language, so that you can also hang out there and talk to each other and write to each other and this kind of stuff. So it's really nice, actually. It's really nice. So I really recommend that you do that. Join my Discord, and if you feel that you want to buy crypto, or then you go to Max. If you feel that you want to write like this, like learn how to write like this, then you go take my TradingView affiliate link. And that's all for now, eh? So let's see where Bitcoin goes now. Let's see where Bitcoin goes. Where is Bitcoin now? Bitcoin is at 70. It has pushed. It seems to have put. No, it's still under 70. So let's see where Bitcoin has gone. This is recorded 10th of April. So I'm gonna go to bed now in Sweden. But let's see in the morning when I upload this and tomorrow these days where Bitcoin will go. It's really interesting. I was a bit tired now, but I had prepared for this. So I really wanted to do it. And I love that I could tell my story about how I used to be and how I used to trade. And I did not know how to write all this. This was all mumbo jumbo for me, like for like many new people. Was mumbo jumbo, but I hope I teach you to make more sense of this stuff. I hope I teach you to make more sense of this stuff. So that you can be safe in yourself and your own decisions. Yeah, so you can like get some value out of this. Yeah, so I mean, like I'm gonna end on this. This is the last verse. A quote that someone quoted, like Jason Shurka and Unified Ray said recently. He said this: gifts not shared become a curse. Meditate on that. I did, and I feel I just want to share my gifts. I can't be like alone with all this knowledge that I have that is needed in the world. That is my gifts. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Let's see how this goes. It's really exciting times in terms of crypto investing and what's happening in the world, and how to fit in that natural order and cycles, and what you want to create with your gifts. Prosperity charts by the heart. Bye. From me, Simon Nilsson.